I found a new technology for making your hair fuller that uses 100% of your own hair. Plus, that keeps your own hair growing freely. Check this out.
The solution now is the microstrand invention. One human hair at a time is fed onto these microstrands that becomes this, the finished product. When these are custom made and blended in between your own hair, they disappear. You're using all of your existing hair, and all of your hair is staying safe and healthy.
When the microstrands are blended in between your own hair, it disappears. And you only then see fuller hair. Now you sleep, wake up with fuller hair. You shampoo and swim and do everything in life with your fuller hair. You will totally forget that you ever had thin hair.
This, my sweetheart, is the InvisaBlend topper. Look at this, you guys. I mean, look closely. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? What?